Hello, welcome to Freshman Composition 1. My name's Professor Malin Barlow. I'm your instructor, and no, I am not a cat. Please let me show you where to go to get started in this course. As you can see right here, start here. Click on this. This will take you to the orientation module, which is the first thing we're going to do this semester. I would like you to start here again. Click here. And as you will see, you will find an introduction to the course that is also located in the course catalog, which is pretty dry, so you might just want to read this sentence here. In short, this class is about the essay. Before we begin writing those essays, I would like you to finish looking over this orientation module. Go here or click the next button. When you have finished, two things you should do. Introduce yourself in the discussion portion and take the orientation quiz. Don't worry, you can keep trying until you get it right. It's not one of those one-time only quizzes. You must complete the quiz, however, with 100% scored for the course to be accessible. Once you have been oriented to the class and we have been introduced to each other, we will start our class proper, which is, of course, the writing of essays. I look forward to reading what you have to say, and if you have any questions, just email me, call me, or come by and see me on the West Campus. Thank you.